How to add an artistic touch with trending CNC cut materials. Did you know that there is a vast variety of materials that can be turned into exciting accent features for your home? In recent years, the technique of carving on different materials has evolved from manual cutting, which required skilled craftsmen, to CNC, that is computer numeric control or computerized cutting. With state-of-the-art technology, one can effortlessly fabricate intricate designs with precision and accuracy at an affordable cost. Today, CNC routers are being increasingly used to produce complex designs and patterns on home decor items like doors, wood panels, furniture, moldings, and so on. Some of the most popular CNC cut materials that can make your home shine include stone. Give your home a traditional old world charm with stone jalis that have been a dominant feature in ancient forts, palaces, and havelis for hundreds of years. Incorporate jalis or lattice work in the form of exterior panels, semi-open windows, balcony railings, or within the boundary walls to bring in partial views of the surroundings. This stone craft is very expensive and time-consuming if hand-chiseled, but CNC cutting machines have made this process much easier and cost-effective. Solid surface and WPC or wood polymer composite. CNC routers are being widely used to thermoform, that is molding of plastic-based materials, WPC and solid surface materials. They efficiently create complex shapes or patterns that would have been difficult to achieve with handcrafting. These design elements work well as wall panels and room dividers or partitions. Metal. If you are fond of a high-end luxurious look, consider CNC cut metal jalis. Veneers. CNC cut from a veneer sheet can impart so much elegance and richness into any space. MDF. Create a customized 3D effect on your wall with CNC cut MDF, that is medium density fiberboard panels. The best part about these panels is that they look like wood but are comparatively cheaper than the real thing. Do not use MDF panels on walls that have seepage issues or in areas that are prone to moisture, as these panels may absorb moisture and swell.